Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. We left you guys the last video with us first coating these beautiful floors. Well, they dried out really nice. We going to go ahead and put another coat on them. So Mr. Ed's got his 5-gallon bucket of polyurethane and my little 5-gallon bucket roller, rolling it around, doing a second coat. So that way we can get this thing hopefully third coated before they get moved in. And there's all the cabinets. Mr. Ed picked them up at Home Depot. We're going to pull them apart and shoot them with some clear.
Here we are spraying cabinets. We are spraying more cabinets. Another upper. We got operation here on tailgate.
You can really see that drawer that's dropped down. We're going to have to raise that up a little bit. Not bad. I wish those two doors matched better, but that's okay.
Oh wow.
So now we're putting two more over here. Okay, Dad's getting set up to do a third coat because we have the material and we have the time. Floor's looking really nice. So it's not gonna hurt. The more coats you put on it, the more durable it's gonna be. So got two coats on it, looks good. Let me show you the cabinets. Not happy about the front of that cabinet there, but we're gonna try to darken it. But here is the upright, goes above the stove. And then this one right here goes right where it's at. You just got to raise it up. This is one of the ones that goes on the other side. It will go over there. I have two of them in that corner. Here's our lower cabinets. And this would be a 12-incher. It goes on this side of the window. So the cabinets will be installed this next week. And we just got done running a new power cable for the breaker, because I had an electrician friend that showed me that we didn't have the right power cable. So now we got that fixed. And everything is going good. This floor just looks so beautiful. This is gonna look nice. A couple boards are lighter, but there's gonna be a rug pretty much covering this area anyways, and then chairs, so you won't really see those. You mainly just see the kitchen. In the hallway, it's mainly the floor you're going to see because the bed's going to be covering in the living room. There'll be rugs in the hallways too. So this is going to be a really nice floor for them, and it feels really cushioned to walk on it. You can kind of feel it flex a little bit underneath you. So it's going to be really comfortable. So it's coming along. We will keep you guys posted. Here we built our own, what do you call that?
Blind corner.
Blind corner. We could not find one, so we got a 12-inch cabinet, took the door off of it, then we cut a hole in this cabinet and moved the holes over for the shelf. So we built our own blind corner, so that way it's not a waste. So we got a blind corner on the bottom and a blind corner on top. Our layout was pretty decent since we had a little bit of a gap right here. That's not bad, huh?
Yeah. Especially when we kind of guessed that wall 2 months ago.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Yeah, it's looking really good. We'll get the new skins for the sides of these and make them look better. Boy, it looks good.
So I could do a trim board there now.
There you go. That looks good there. Something like that would probably look okay.
Yeah.
Looking good. We're figuring it out. Got one more upper to put in, and all the uppers are in. And he's got to put the doors on. All right, the upper cabinets are in and mounted. There's the other upper. We're gonna have to get a bigger countertop because we thought that this would fit better and it's not. So we're gonna have to get a little bit bigger countertop for that. There's the upper there.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
And there is the butcher block. So we got all the bases screwed together and mounted to the wall. This is the birch butcher block. We're getting ready to pull it out of the wrapper and see what it looks like. All right, so Mr. Ed is painting his trim around his door. Getting it all weatherized. Put a corner trim on there to hide part of the metal from the carport. Now he's getting all this trim painted. We'll caulk it all in after he gets the first coat done. He's got a special corner piece over here. We'll get this all weatherized. That sure looks good, Mr. Ed. I like that. The apartment is all done. I've been out of town working a lot, doing volunteer work. Mr. Ed has been here and he's been hustling and he's been getting a whole bunch done. A lot of stuff that happened so fast we didn't get it on film. But let me take you on a walkthrough of the completed apartment before they move in here in a couple days. So they've already been bringing stuff over, so you're gonna see some stuff of theirs in here. So follow me, let's check it out. Let's go inside. Wow, look at that. Let's see if we get some lights on here. There we go. Wow, look at those floors. They turned out really, really good. So as you can still see, we got a little workbench here. We're still trying to get stuff organized and out of here. There's that beautiful brick wall. We clear coated it with this exterior interior brick sealer. Put 3 or 4 coats on it, and he barely used a third of it. Got that off Amazon. So works really well. There'll be a link in the description on that. There's that wood wall. That turned out really nice. He's getting all this stuff hung up and keys and everything. Experimenting with different shelves. It's a TV somebody gave him. We got a couple little desks in here. We're gonna put another one here for their computer. But there's the air conditioner up there. There's the bookshelf that somebody gave him and $100 refrigerator. But check out this kitchen. Didn't that just turn out gorgeous? So we ordered three of these base cabinets, and then Mom decided she wanted another one. So we've got 4 of them in there with a big long butcher block, which she coated it out with the butcher block oil. And these are shelves that he built with just 2x material with polyurethane on them. And these brackets they ordered online. So find a way to get that all organized. And we come over here, looking really good. There's gas stove, vent hood, really getting things figured out. We got a few more things we got to button up, like the skins here on the side. We ordered another cabinet here because the one we bought for it was too wide and it was too tight. So we're still trying to fiddle with that. But stuff like that we could get done after they get moved in. So they're just running out of time. And look at that opening. The opening turned out really good. He cased that where you can't even see that brick. And we still have to put some trim boards up here. Let me take you in here and turn around. See that? It just totally fixed that. You don't even notice that there was a jagged brick opening there. So as we come down the hallway, we make a right turn, and here's the bedroom. Yeah, they got some temporary curtains up. It's they already got their stuff hung up. We're gonna probably build a curtain across that whole thing there. But their bed is gonna go right here. So they got a nice bedroom with a nice opening into the bedroom. So then all they have to do is come this direction, and here's a whole bunch more storage. And then they turn here into the bathroom, and there's the clawfoot tub. We still got to get the shower curtain around that, but that's all hooked up and that works. There's the sink. We're going to be putting a mirror up there a little later. I got a light I still got to mount there. There's the tankless. So that turned out really nice. That thing gets really hot really fast. So it's just a little extra storage back in here. He'll probably eventually build something in here. But that turned out really nice. So then, if you step out into the hallway, there's their washer and dryer. We still got to hook them up, but they fit there good. And then there's our unit right there that slides right in there. So this is where they're going to come and do their laundry, and just step right out of their bedroom, do their laundry, step right back in. Thank you guys so much for following this build. It's been a lot of fun. They are super excited. Later on, as they get settled in, we're going to be going out this back door, and we're going to be building them a patio right out the back, so they have a place to go sit back and relax and not have to worry about everything. Just relax and enjoy the retirement and just enjoy life more. And then they're right here where I can keep an eye on them, and he could help me. He loves to organize stuff, and I got a lot of stuff to organize. So anyways, this is the final video. This place is about 520 square feet, I think. Just big enough. It's just all they really need. So they're excited. I'm excited. Until I see you guys again, you guys have fun. Create your own projects. Stay out of trouble.